This is an emergency from the BBC. Please stand by for important news to share with you all. Around 11:30 a.m. yesterday, a figure named Valet, who comes from a video game that is 9 years from now, it's called Sleeping Dogs, that comes out in 2012, it's 2003, and Valet is stalking and chasing people. If you see Valet, run as fast as you can. If he breaks into your homes, hide as long as you can till he spots you. If you're outside, find shelter or run to the police station as fast as you can. Remember, stay strong and stay safe. Normal programming will be suspended till Valet has gone back to the video game or police has shot him down or arrested. Be strong and be safe. Oh shit, I thought I locked the door. No, please stay back, I beg you, Mr. Valet.